I think so.
Wow, I'm here. I'm actually here. It's not Vancouver. Where have I been transported? Wow.
All right.
All right, way to go, Buzz.
Thank you.
You did it, bud.
NTV News just got me coming down the hill.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, she'll be down here in a sec.
Can
Woo!
you walk? Can you walk?
Yes, he can walk.
Okay, go throw your bike in the ocean.
Go throw it in the ocean.
Well, I'm telling people what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a big mic drop
Toss
at the
it
end
off
of
the
this.
wharf.
Or a big bike drop. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Pardon?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks so much for doing
Are you
this.
getting all this, Megan?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, this is fun.
I'm trying to get. I've got my shitty iPhone and my good iPhone here, so it's.
You want it? Do you want to record this at all, Meg, or what?
I'm recording it on my other phone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got two phones.
My bike here for a sec.
Cool.
It was easier said than done.
You're
All
talented.
right, here we go.
Official ceremony.
I don't need to be in your shot. Absolutely not.
I'll make sure you're back.
I'm trying to FaceTime friends, and I don't know how you guys do this.
You ready?
Already.
How do we get down here?
Just gonna find a way through all the cars.
I did this in my wedding dress. You can do it with your bike.
You came down here in your wedding dress?
Yep.
Is there a roadway down there?
Yeah, there's like a little boat launch.
Okay, good.
Oh, I'm thirsty now.
I know. I know.
Wow.
Me too. It's so hot here.
All the way to Vancouver, to the Pacific Ocean.
I was checking out the place you're staying at in Wolfville, Katrina. It's
Yeah.
you guys are in student land. You guys are gonna have a time.
Oh, great. Well, the guy was pretty strict on his rules. Like,
Oh, is it? It's a new renovation. So but it's like one like.
Oh my God. It was really strict.
Oh, good. You must be trying to keep those students in line.
Maybe.
Look at that.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yes, bye. Don't drop
Oh,
it.
it's slippery.
Oh my God, this could be hilarious if he drops it in there.
She's taking footage.
Slippery when wet. Yeah, here we go.
Got it.
Wow. I'll make you the hand come back up.
You can't get back.
He had a sore back this morning.
You okay there, Buzz?
This way?
I might just go in the water after all.
Oh my God.
Is he stuck?
A little bit. I might have to put this down.
Oh, there he goes.
Mary Kate's in heels, and she's trying. She's doing a lot better trying than I am. There you go. He's out.
Safe and sound.
All right. I'll talk to you later. I gotta get back to my meeting.
Bye, Blair.
Okay.
See you.
Bye,
Thanks
sweetie.
for being here.
Are you heading out too, Katrina? Oh, I think we're all
I'm
done.
here.
Oh, you're there? Okay.
I'm here. Unless you need to
Amazing.
go.
Thank
Oh,
you. Thank you.
I'm
I might actually
gonna.
go in there.
I'm gonna just grab a couple of stills of him
sure.
Do you want
with my other phone, so I'll put
We'll
them.
jump into the water and see your final destination here with your bike, and I'll get a video of you.